In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the App Store billing problem in just a few simple steps. Sometimes when you're trying to make a purchase from the App Store, whether it's a subscription, a one-time payment, or an in-app purchase, you might run into a billing issue that stops the process. But don't worry, this quick fix can often solve the problem. Step 1. First, go to your settings on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Step 3. Now go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Step 4. Tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Step 5. Under this section, go to In-App Purchases and make sure it's set to Allow. If it's set to Don't Allow, that could be the reason you're having trouble with billing. And that's it. This simple change can often resolve billing problems on the App Store, especially if you're getting blocked from completing in-app purchases. If this method helped you out, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.